Are you looking for the best, most ergonomic keyboards in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best most ergonomic keyboards that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Logitech MK345 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse. Logitech MK345 Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse use an advanced 2.4 GHz wireless technology that provides you with a fast, stable, and reliable wireless connection from up to 33 feet. These devices support Chrome OS and Windows XP or later. Both devices use one receiver and do not require additional software, which makes them true plug-and-play devices. The battery life of the mouse and keyboard extends up to 18 months and 3 years. This also reduces the frequency of the battery replacement, saving you money. The keyboard has a full-size layout with comfortable and silent typing for an ideal working environment for you and your colleagues. The keyboard offers quick-access media keys such as play, volume, mute, and more. It also has a comfortable palm rest, which allows you to type for longer without experiencing hand stress and exhaustion. Keys are spill-resistant, which provides long-lasting durability and performance. The ergonomic mouse contours to the shape of your hand for smooth and precise tracking. At number 4, Microsoft L5V00001 Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse. Microsoft L5V00001 features a Sculpt ergonomic mouse that enhances your wrist's comfort and makes navigation easier. The mice ergonomic design contours to the hand shape, which eliminates the pain of stress injuries. The mouse also uses Microsoft BlueTrack technology that offers precise control on nearly any surface. The keyboard has a split keyset design with a thumb scoop. This keeps your wrists and forearms in a relaxed and natural position. Domed keyboard shape also corrects and limits wrist pronation, which inflicts pain and reduces hand mobility. This keyboard further includes an advanced encryption standard technology that encrypts every keystroke to protect your information from hackers. A permanent pairing of the keyboard and its receiver takes place at the factory. The keyboard, therefore, does not ever have to share any key information over the air for extra security. The unit also features a separate number pad for greater flexibility. The number pad requires 150 MB hard drive space for setup. You can use these devices with Windows RT 8 or later. At number 3, HAVEIT Ergonomic Gaming Keyboard and Mouse. HAVEIT Gaming Keyboard and Mouse combo include a rainbow backlit keyboard, and a 7-color circular breathing LED mouse. This colorful lighting provides you optimal gaming atmosphere. Both the keyboard and mouse have an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. This allows you to play for longer without exhaustion or stress pains. The wired keyboard and mouse do not need any extra drivers to work, simply plug and play. These devices are also compatible with Mac OS and Windows 2000 or later. The gaming mouse has a 4-level adjustable DPI, which includes 800, 1200, 2400, and 3200 DPIs. The mouse features 6 buttons to enhance your efficiency and productivity. It also consists of a super laser engine, and advanced laser LED shading technologies that enable free and smooth mouse movement. The keyboard supports the simultaneous use of a maximum 19 keys without conflict. Keyboard also includes 11 multimedia combination keys on its top and interchangeable with ASD keys. You can disable the Win keys when gaming. There is a pair of rubberized holders underneath the keyboard to keep it from slipping. At number 2, FENIFOX Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse. FENIFOX Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse features 2.4 GHz wireless technology and uses the same nano receiver to connect to your computer. To set up, Simply plug in the nano receiver into any USB port on your computer. These devices are compatible with most operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Only the Windows system supports all the keyboard's 12 hotkeys. The keyboard has an ultra-thin design with 102 keys, and you can easily fit it in your suitcase or handbag. This further makes it ideal for business travel, cafe, office, and other public occasions. Both devices also have silent keys and buttons to provide you with the ideal working environment. The sensitive response scissor key switch on the keyboard offers a smooth and accurate typing experience. Keyboard has a slope angle design that keeps your hands in their natural position. This prevents them from tiring after extended typing. The mouse also features a comfortable grip that offers greater cursor control and eliminates stress pain. The sleek design of these devices will enhance the style of any desktop. At number 1. iClever GK08 Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse. iClever GK08 Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse use a single receiver and are compatible with Chrome OS, Mac OS, and Windows. Simply plug in the USB receiver into your computer for wireless use. Both the keyboard and mouse have dedicated slots for safe USB receiver storage. The devices use 2.4 GHz wireless technology that offers up to 33 feet range. Each input device also includes a high-capacity rechargeable Li-ion battery. This provides you with a maximum 90 hours of continuous runtime per charge. The keyboard and mouse also go on standby mode when not in use to extend the battery life. The keyboard further features LED indicators, which allows you to keep track of the battery status. It includes highly responsive scissor switches for precision typing. Keyboard also has quiet typing, and its anti-slide pads keep it in place. The keyboard's foot helps it to stay at the optimal slope to eliminate stress and pain from long typing sessions. Keys are spill-proof to ensure long-term durability and performance. The mouse also has an adjustable DPI button for smooth, accurate scrolling ad tracking. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.